This is a Kiesel. This is what do you call these? A X-type or something? I want to switch to this piece of junk camera that the color is off on. So I don't even know if this does it justice. That's like a pea green. I didn't need a headless 7-string. But I look at this thing, dude, and this is the highest quality. I'm not trying to be a Kiesel ad, but dude, this is the highest quality instrument I've held in a real long time. But that may be not saying much because I'm playing Harley Bentons and shit. The alignment's perfect on it, and the frets are like butter because Kiesel's stainless steel by default. Yesterday, I go to Sam Ash, and they're big down here like Walmart, and they got a lot of used gear. There's a couple of them, you know, in Orlando. I go into Sam Ash, and they have a glass case, and I see 2 Kiesels. And I'm like, shit, I've never held a Kiesel before. They were in 2 separate glass cases. One of them was a Holsworth looking thing. And I was about to say, hey, open this case. And then I looked, and I seen this, and they had lights and shit all on it. And I'm like, let me hold that. And they got it out of the case. And I never held a Kiesel before. I was like, this motherfucker's badass. I was like, dude, the finish is fucking great. This tremolo's nice. Excuse my language. I don't like this guitar. It's headless 7-string. Like I have a hard time playing it, but it's great. And it's got all the options, man. The guy that ordered this, he traded it to Sam Ash for something. And I got the build sheet and everything. This guitar is brand new. And I don't know what he traded it for. So my thoughts are, I'm sitting down playing this thing. And I'm like, well, I can be comfortable ordering a Kiesel now. I know what their quality is like now because they want a lot of damn money for a guitar. And I look at the price tag. It was folded where I couldn't see it. And I'm like, whoosh, and it was like $10.49 or no, it was $10.99, I think. And I'm like, I remember that Crackle paint being a $400 upcharge. What's going on here? It just seemed a tiny bit low. So I go outside and I go to Kiesel's Guitar Builder and I put all of the specs of this guitar in there. And to buy this exact spec guitar from Kiesel, it is fucking $24.89. So I go back into Sam Ash and I'm like, hey man, I was like, can you do anything on this, you know? And they go, well, I can give you 10% off. And I'm like, you know, just not acting excited. So that comes to like, what, $960 something or whatever it was. I got it out the door for just over $1,000. Yeah, I'll take it. Yeah. The case is all mini fresh, fucking all the paperwork. Got the build sheets. I got everything. I got the foam that goes under. And I was like, damn, that was a good deal. I almost drove out of the parking lot. I was like, fuck. I don't need a 7-string. No, I don't need it. And I was about to drive out. I was like, fuck, that fucking $1,000. $24.89. I was like, I can't leave it. I can't leave it. Nice looking guitar. I just couldn't leave it, dude. And they were so upset, man. Those salesmen wanted it. But you know, the Sam Ash employees, they don't make a lot of money. The guy that had to ring it up, he was so freaking bummed out, dude. Apparently they didn't have it very long, of course. The cashier at the front door, he wanted it. And they're, oh man, you sold the Kiesel. They wanted it bad, dude, but they just didn't have the $1,000. Yeah, the value killed me. Yeah, dude. Well, the thing is I think it's cool, right? It's like if this was like a shitty blue and, you know, some kind of shitty bird's eye fingerboard that really didn't look like, I wouldn't give a shit what it's worth. So this is an illusionist pickup, and he put that beryllium or whatever here. These are different pickup options. Yeah. It's got the Dunlop locking strap things, and it's really cool, man. Those are really fucking cool guitars. The neck is great. You can actually lower the action a lot lower on that, because when I got it, like, their action was real low. I actually raised the action a little bit just to get an idea how it feels versus my other guitars. Bye, guys. Bye. Hey, man, I'll see you guys later, man.